The Weber Genesis E-330 replacement parts are expertly designed to fit a wide range of models within the Genesis 300 series, ensuring compatibility for users with grills from 2011 to 2016. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these parts offer exceptional durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, promising long-lasting performance even in harsh grilling conditions. The package includes a comprehensive set of components such as flavorizer bars, heat deflectors, and burner tubes, which work together to enhance the grilling experience by providing even heat distribution. These replacement parts also contribute to a more flavorful grilling experience by allowing oil droplets to evaporate, adding a smoky flavor to the food. Designed specifically for Weber Genesis grills, these parts are easy to install, making them a convenient choice for both amateur and seasoned grillers. The thoughtful design of these parts not only protects the burners from grease, but also ensures they remain unclogged, resulting in an efficient and consistent flame.